Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's listen and practice more and more for better result.
Myself. We all have different personalities, ideas, habits, talents and interests, and each one of us would describe ourselves differently. I like to describe myself as a humble, kind, honest, caring and hardworking person. My name is Elena and I live in the city of Georgia with my family. My father is an engineer and my mother is a housewife. I have a brother who is 3 years younger than me. Both of us attend the same public school. I like to learn new things and I am attentive at school. My favorite subjects are science and social studies. I find the study of ancient civilizations very fascinating and read a lot of books on the subject. My school teachers are very kind and answer all my questions. I also love to play and am a part of our school's basketball team. Other than basketball, I can play chess, badminton and table tennis. My father always encourages me to play outdoor games and take part in various activities. He says it will help me stay fit and healthy. Many parents do not want their daughters to participate in sports, so I feel blessed to have such a supportive family. I have a lot of hobbies like painting, dancing and doing embroidery. I have always been very creative and my parents provide me with everything necessary to explore my creative side. I recently finished painting a portrait of my parents for their anniversary and they loved it. I felt very happy seeing my parents happy and proud. When I am at home, I help my mother in the kitchen and with other household chores. I also help my brother with his studies and homework. He is a good student and always pays attention whenever I am explaining something. Our housemaid has 2 little children who are in elementary school. Because she cannot afford to send them to tuition, I tutor them for free whenever I have the time. The children love to spend time with me. I am someone who wants to contribute to society and make this world a better place. I always take part in charitable events in our neighborhood. Last summer vacation we took the initiative to teach underprivileged children how to read and write. It was a nice experience. I want to open free schools for underprivileged children and care homes for the elderly when I grow up. I believe that every human being has the right to live well and be happy.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, like, comment and share with your friends.